Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can remove TikTok watermark on CapCut PC. So this is kind of like a pro feature, but you're going to select your video, select AI remove, and you're going to select the brush, and you're going to select what you want to remove. So maybe this watermark over here. Then you're going to select remove. I only have free use left, so I'm just going to press OK. Or I can't. Okay, it's removing. But to remove like the other one, you do need the pro feature for it. So keep that in mind. It is easy though to do this. So yeah, that is it. It will remove the watermark. I'm just going to wait for it to remove and I'll be right back with you when it's done. Okay, that took a while. So I can't use it on the right side, but I can use it on the left side. So yeah, that is pretty much it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!